And Steve from EstateMax here with your part 2 video. This is Woodsboro, part 2, Friday, Saturday, Sunday sale. The inside of the house is on another video. This is just things we discovered in the barn that were too good to throw away and have further use. So here's a quick video of what we found inside the barn. We laid it all out for you. We laid out ladders, and more ladders. There's some tow-around vehicles. We have everything from wire products to gas cans, lawn mowers, multiple rototillers, multiple rototiller blades. We have a couple riders, compressor, accessories, empty boxes for you to shop with, all kinds of building materials, tools, rubber, buckets. Here's the overflow heavy tools. We have more tools in the house, of course. These are just the outside tools we found. Look at that socket set. Isn't that great? We have huge industrial power cords, an old scythe. We have old parts to plows. Look at that blade. Pretty much anything you'd find in a barn we've found for you. From axes and tools and hardware to pieces of deer. Look at the size of that chainsaw. That is a massive chainsaw. Couple different kinds. Again, industrial building materials. There's a chipper shredder. Power cords of all sizes. Flashing. Wrought iron stuff. Another massive rototiller. Also lumber. Boy, we got lumber, and more lumber. Be careful of the bees in here. But there's a lot of lumber you can dig through. We'll sell it to you by the piece, by the lot, whatever you want. Including really big planks. The size of some of these planks. It's all laid out in back. Everything you see here is behind the barn or in the barn or from the barn. Including these giant planks with a piece of scaffolding. There's a trap. Big boards. Welcome to dig through it. Be careful. It's at your own risk. Tons of bulk here. This is a picker's dream. Again, this is video number 2, Woodsboro, Maryland. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, first come, first serve. Pay for things in the basement that you find out back. Everybody's on their honor. I like that compressor. Come see us Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is Steve with EstateMax saying we'll see you in Woodsboro, Maryland very soon.